The idea of a YouTube video is the most important part of the entire YouTube sales funnel if you want to actually book calls through your YouTube channel. The problem is the most business owners overthink what they should be making videos about, meaning they get analysis paralysis and don't end up making any videos at all. And as a result, they miss out the best way to book organic calls for your business, which is YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact process so you never have to think about the video ideas ever again. And at the end of it, I'll literally give you 40 proven video ideas that you can copy and paste into any niche, and I can guarantee you that it will work. And if you take the ideas and make one video every single week, then you will have videos for the next 6 months or 8 months pretty much. And I'm giving you that completely for free. So stick around until the end for that. And by the way, if you don't know me, my name is Pushan. I own a content agency. We work with B2B and online coaches to build a sales channel on YouTube to book calls. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do to come up with video ideas is literally steal from our competitors. And when I mean steal, what I really mean is like we're going to find video ideas and concepts that work in other niches and bring them to your channel. So here's the live demo of me doing that in action. Let's get into it. So for example, if I'm making a YouTube video about prospect who's in dropshipping niche, then what I will do is I'll go ahead and try finding like high intent keyword in this niche and find high performing videos around that. What I have to do is I typed in the search bar full dropshipping course, I had entered, this video popped up right here. So what I'll do is I'll literally steal his thumbnail concept and the framework of the video and tweak it to something similar. And I'll make sure to include the most important keywords to hook people in. Just remember, your competitors literally can be in any niche. So let's say if you're selling a growth operating offer, they don't have to be other growth operators. It can be dropshipping. It can be the people who are selling e-com, BizOps, like you name it. It could be the people who are also in your own industry. Just make sure you're not really copying them as it is. You're just sort of using them as inspiration, but then you want to inject your own unique knowledge inside of the video. It's all about stealing framework but putting your own spin over it. Okay, so the next way to come up with video ideas is breaking down your offer or your service into all of the different steps. So what I mean by that is like, for example, you're selling a high-ticket dropshipping course. You already know what are the steps to do dropshipping. Like you need to register the business, you have to do market research, you can do supplier research, like you need to build the store and whatnot. We got all the steps. Like so, this would fall under action-based content. And what I mean by that is like actionable content. We're teaching people how to do something, how to register their business, how to do market research, and basically everything around that. So all of these are individual YouTube videos. So if you're making one video a week, you made up content for like 2 or 3 months. So if you're making one video a week and you have made content for like 2 or 3 months, what you can do is you can package all of your video into one massive video, just like the super big course videos, you know. And before I get into the title formats, I just want to talk more about the 3 content buckets in general to like find ideas for your YouTube channel. So the first content bucket is the action-based video. This is more like why you need to do XYZ. This is like how to content. So in the actionable video, we're telling them the steps to achieve something. And in the second content bracket, there is educational videos. That's basically explaining them why they should do something. Like in educational video, you are not like necessarily teaching them something step by step, but you're telling them like why e-com is the best business model in 2026 or something like that, or the methods you generally use in your business and stuff like that. So the final content bucket is case study breakdowns and client interviews. That's basically 2 different things, but it falls under one content bucket. So let's say you made 200K for a client. So what you're going to do is like you have to break down all the steps super in depth on how exactly what you did and explain like why and how it helped him to generate 200K. So in the client interviews, you just have to hop in a call with your client and ask them like how you help them and like ask questions around your service and offers, how it impacted his business, so on and so forth. Now that we went over all of the content buckets, let me give you the template. So I'm not going to go ahead and read all of this. So you know, these are just the templates. You can plug and play into pretty much every niche and they will work. I can guarantee you that. Just make sure to inject your own expertise as well in these videos, and you just make sure like in those videos you are going to break down pretty much everything you do. But one thing I do want to mention is you probably should not just consistently rip these video ideas. You know, you should just make your own action-based video ideas, and like you have to come up with your own ideas, you have to come up with your own script, but this is just there to give you a head start. But even though I have given you the titles, there's so much more you have to do to produce a YouTube video that books call from YouTube. You have to write the scripts by your own, you have to film it, you have to do the editing, you have to do the thumbnail, SEO, basically a lot of that. But at my agency, we take care all of these for my clients. We literally do everything for you. So you book 10 to 30 qualified sales call on autopilot, and all you really have to do is just film. So if you want 8 to 30 qualified sales call for your business organically from YouTube, then book a call with me right now by clicking the first link in the description. But overall, you want to shift away from this and start coming up with your own unique ideas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Peace.